Hello, my name is Lori, and I want to share my journey with Pop-On Veneers. Well, initially, I had been looking at the site for a long time, and I wanted to get some veneers. I was contemplating getting them, but I just didn't move forward with it. So I'm gonna, move a little fast. So I was sitting down playing some type game on my phone, and this text came through with my health savings account that would actually that could actually be used to make the purchase. So it was then that I decided no more procrastinating. I was going to go ahead and give Pop-On Veneers a try. So I did, and I got my impression kit in the mail. And I do apologize, I did not video the impressions as I did them, but I can share what happened. Make sure that your clay, your mold that you use to make your impressions, make sure that it is cold. If not, you're going to run into some problems, because my first set that I did, they came out just fine. The next two sets, they were sticking to my teeth because I messed up. I didn't do it right. But anyway, I sent those back in. I thought that they would send it back to me and say that I had to do it again. But when I tell you, these people, they are professionals. They are professionals. They took what I sent in and they made it work. Well, I have the set of my impressions that they worked with. And this is it. I don't know if you can see it right here. This is what my teeth look like. You can see here, I have missing teeth here, and around here, I have missing teeth from here on back. Well, my veneers were mailed to me, and I was excited. I was actually at work when they came in. So I was a bit nervous about putting them on and trying them on. So these are my impressions that I sent in, and this is my veneers. So you see how the veneers, they just snap on your impression. You see how that's such a snug fit? Well, okay, now let me remove these. And always, put your veneers in place, use two hands. Now, you can see my smile now. There are teeth missing on both sides. Let me snap in my veneers. In place. Let me come a little closer. Simply beautiful. This is a journey. If you are contemplating getting veneers, you can't go wrong with Pop-On Veneers. Okay, every lady, she has a little extra that she does. Look at that smile. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. You have really changed my outlook, my appearance. Simply beautiful. I tell you again, if you're contemplating veneers, don't do it anymore. Log on to poponveneers.com and get your smile back.